We're gonna move on and get our Optima battery in this thing. We have our AAM intake, our Optima battery, and our Skunk 2 exhaust system installed, and now it's time for some fluids. We're gonna start with some good Motul engine oil. We're gonna move into the coolant, add some power steering fluid, top off the gearbox, and then go for first start. Let's do it. Oil is topped off. We added fluid to the power steering system. It needs to be bled to top it off. But now we're gonna move on to some good old fashioned coolant, baby. Get some in this Mishimoto cooling system we got here. We got the little bucket. And I need to find, that might be it actually. Is that it right there? Is that the setup? Is it Ricky approved? You gotta, yeah, give it, yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
That's it?
That's it.
Right.
That works.
Money!
I gotta do something with this car.
Now it's time to put some transmission fluid in and get this thing fired up. Gearbox is filled, engine oil is filled, coolant's filled, power steering's filled. We got a battery. I think it's time to start this thing.
And we got a new exhaust.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if any of us really remember what it sounded like before because it's been kind of a while, but we get to see what it sounds like.
We do have a new intake and a new exhaust, so it should sound much better than it did. Sounds good, dude. Sounds way smooth. Sounds really good.
Sounds new.
I can hear the exhaust from here.
Yeah.
Sick.
But it doesn't sound like...
You didn't put that quiet tube on, did you?
It doesn't sound like typical Honda exhaust.
Car is running, sounds really good, engine is running really smooth, and it sounds really nice. So we're gonna let it run, get up to temp so we can finish bleeding the cooling system, then we're gonna load this thing up and get it to the wrap shop.